I'm Julia Barnes, I'm 14 and my sport is sailing. I do dinghy sailing, which is basically like small boat sailing. And at the minute I'm sailing the RS Fever.
The largest Fever is junior two-handed boat. We have crews that are 2 boys, 2 girls and mixed crews. Sometimes the girl helms, sometimes the girl crews. So it really is a class that allows everybody to sail.
So at the minute we're at Northampton. It's a national squad qualifier, so we've got to do quite well. It's just going to be racing all the other boats trying to get our place in the squad.
Right, let's do this right this time.
Yeah, you just have to get it right. It can really affect your boat speed and how close you can head up into the wind. So you just have to get it right.
Today is our first of our Grand Prix series.
They're competing now to get into one of the 2 national squads, and that's very much a competitive selection where they pick the top 6 boats for each ranking.
My biggest success definitely is Ladies World Champion. If you're holding like titles, you kind of have to go back and try and like take them again. So yeah, we have to do well.
But without a doubt, if somebody's been at the World Championships, which Julia has, when she comes into these events, people look at you and people expect you to do well. So without a doubt, a general pressure.
This is really stressful. I think I'm quite independent normally, like I don't like people fussing and like trying to help. I like just getting on with it.
I think the flag is up.
4, 3, 2, 1. You have different priorities that you have to focus on, so there's the start and then there's the positioning like with other boats.
For the mark!
There's all the tactics and strategy that you have to think about.
1 minute 50.
Sailing isn't just like a physical sport, you have to be really mentally strong as well. It's quite difficult finding the wind and all the wind patterns. Fitness as well. In heavy winds you're hiking out, which means like you're hanging out the boat by just your legs and holding yourself by your core, and you've got to stay there for quite a long time, especially on your upwind. You've just got to stay hiked out and keeping the boat flat. And you've also got to have really good teamwork with like your crew if you're doing double-handed sailing. Some of it's like maths as well. You've got to work out numbers for like the wind angles and everything, so it gets a bit complicated. We have to stay really hydrated and like eat tons of food. I eat jelly all the time, which is really good. Just like to keep you focused and like have like loads of energy. Not when we're racing though, like in between races, because I have to stay focused, but yeah, jelly's good. I really would like to get to the Olympics. I'm not sure whether that will happen, but I'm literally going to try my best.
Sailing is a difficult sport, it's technical. You can be the best sailor in the country and you can get a wind shift wrong and you can end up halfway down the fleet.
When it doesn't go right, I do get quite upset because I know I can do better. There's some results, like our nationals event has never gone well for us, just with timing, with exams, and it kind of motivates you to do better at Worlds, which is after that. Like it's just like you have to come back and prove yourself, so that's what we've done like for the past couple of years.
You're still smiling?
Yeah. So there's another qualifier that we have to do in pool, and then they make their decision on whether they